Hey guys, what's up? Hope everybody is doing fine. So today we'll order food from Barbecue Nation. Recently they have started this service which is called Barbecue in a Box. So we'll do it from Zomato food app also to check whether we're gonna face any kind of technical challenges or not. So you're getting the same menu actually if you go to physical buffet in Barbecue Nation restaurants. So they are offering all the menus only in home delivery option. Previously this service was not available from this restaurant, but recently they have started this, and I'm getting this notification from all over social media platforms, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Insta. So let's get started. So we have searched barbecue, and here's our search result. You can see UBQ by Barbecue Nation, 3.6 rating out of 5 in Zomato food app, and already 1653 delivery reviews they have. So this restaurant is maintaining all the safety measures like the mask and the temperature check and sanitizing protocol. So this is a desired food item which you're gonna order today, which is barbecue in a box, non-veg. They have veg option as well as, but first we'll check what they're offering in non-veg section. So they're offering us 4 types of non-veg appetizers of your choice. Out of 5 options I can see: tandoori chicken tikka 6 pieces, crispy and spicy wings 4 pieces, fried fish finger 5 pieces, kasundi fish tikka 5 pieces, chili garlic prawns 6 pieces, 2 types of veg appetizers, veg shami kebab 6 pieces, potato peanut roll 6 pieces, 2 curries of your choices again out of 3 options: butter chicken, mutton rogan josh, fish curry. Also they are gonna serve dali dum, chicken dum biryani, and 3 types of dessert, along with bread of your choices which is 2 pieces, and mixed salad, raita, and dips for your appetizers. So it's pretty good menu. Let's see what we have in the veg section. So it seems like almost similar, only all the appetizers and the side dish, they all are from veg, and all the dessert and the raita and the green salad, they all are same. And apart from that, you can also order like a la carte menu like grill in a box or chicken biryani or any paneer item or any dessert item as well as, or any kind of side dish. But yeah, there are a lot of options. So we are going to add this into our cart. Okay, so they're giving us such options like there are 3 types of bread they're offering: lachcha paratha, naan, and tandoori roti. So it depends upon your choice. We will select naan. If you like lachcha paratha, you can select that, or tandoori as well as. And also they have these veg appetizers which is fixed, I believe. Yes, we don't have any option. And we have 4 different types of non-veg appetizers. Out of 5 options we have to choose 4. So there are chicken and fish items. So we will select kasundi fish tikka and we'll uncheck the tandoori chicken tikka. Reason behind is tandoori chicken tikka is very like popular and famous and very go away food item which we have normally, but kasundi fish tikka is something which we want to try. And apart from that, garlic prawn we don't want to miss, and wings also we don't want to miss. So if we go to the curry section, you can see there are again 3 types of different options. So we can see that we have already chosen 3 types of fish in the appetizer section. So we will not go fish option in the curry sections. We will definitely choose mutton rogan josh and butter chicken. Okay, so they have add-ons as well as below section. You can add something if you want. Okay, so our total price would be 914 rupees. So we are gonna check for any kind of offer. So we're going to select this treats offer, which will get 10% off up to 40 rupees offer. So on orders above 120 rupees, our order is already above 129 rupees. So yes, we got 10% off and 40 rupees discount. So our total bill amount would be 872 right now, which is 799 plus taxes. And they have some more instructions. So one instruction is contactless delivery due to this pandemic situation. So Zomato Valor will leave your package outside the door on a clean surface, and only applicable for online paid orders, because if you want to pay by cash, the Zomato Valor have to come close or in close contact. So they are giving this option. And also there is another option, please don't ring the bell. And there is a condition also given, orders once placed cannot be cancelled and are non-refundable. So we will select the contactless delivery and we'll proceed further for the payment section. Okay, so our order is confirmed and we're gonna wait for it now. Okay, so our Zomato delivery boy has been delivered this barbecue in a box. It looks pretty heavy and well packed, and it's sealed. You can see from everywhere the logo is there. Also the bill is attached with the package, so you can recheck the items which you have ordered, and also the delivery timing and date, and the total bill amount is also given. So before even opening the box, you can now we are going to take out all the food items from that box. You can see already that food items are well packed. There is no chance of leaking your food. And they are all in separate boxes. And you can see there are label which has been tagged as grilled, as dessert. And it's pretty good packaging, guys. This is what we can say from here. And there's no question of getting doubtfulness into food quality or any kind of packaging material. They all are very well packed. So now we are gonna take out the lids one by one. So we have our chicken biryani, our butter chicken, this is our raita, this is mutton rogan josh. You can see it looks pretty delicious. This is dal, this is chocolate brownie from dessert section, and gulab jamun as well as, and along with the kesari filling. You can see some mixed salad over here, and the naan which is wrapped in foil, and these are the kebabs, the veg, the non-veg, all types of kebab you can see over here. Look at the burnt edges. It looks totally delicious, guys. There is no question of reviewing these food items because we all know how great they are from Barbecue Nation. So what we believe, we're gonna order the same thing which we do, or you can try a different menu from Zomato app, from this restaurant. And please let us know if you have enjoyed this at your home or not, because as a couple, if you go to this restaurant, it will cost you around 1500 rupees for buffet. But this much food, this quantity food, if you get this at your home in this pandemic situation, you can easily save around 750 rupees. Let's get started.